Do you struggle with mundane tasks? Something as simple as holding an egg in your hand. You need NanoTowels, the super absorbent paper towel replacement. That's right, NanoTowels. That's not really how their ads go, but they probably should. They might sell more units that way. This is a NanoTowel. This is supposed to be a revolutionary fabric that can clean almost anything with just water. Does it really work? Let's check it out in today's review. All right, now it's time for my first test of the NanoTowel. We're gonna try it against a cotton cloth and a microfiber cloth and see how well it holds up on the windshield of this car, so let's get right to it. Here are the contenders: a microfiber cloth, a cotton cloth, and a NanoTowel. This windshield is nice and dirty, as you can see. So it'll be nice to see. I'm gonna spray some water on here, 3 rows, and clean them off with each towel and see which one performs the best. First up, we'll go with the cotton cloth. Not too bad, not too bad. What do you guys think? It's a little bit streaky now that I look at it. Now over here, regular microfiber. Didn't seem to take quite as much scrubbing as the cotton cloth. I don't know, looks a little... Okay, now let's try the center. Good old NanoTowel. It seems like when you look at them in the light, they all kind of have a streakiness to them. Let's try again. This is nice and dusty, if you can see that. That does look pretty good. Let me try the back window with cotton. So now here I see a difference. It looks like it's kind of leaving some water behind. It took me longer to get the water picked up, and there's lint left over. With that said, it still doesn't look too bad. The NanoTowel can supposedly absorb an entire cup of water. When I squeeze on it, I'm actually getting some water moving around in there. Whoa, hey! I would say it absorbed that entire cup of water. It's pretty saturated, but it did work. Or you may have seen me clean this window in a previous review for Pain Doctor, but I still got some areas that need to be cleaned, and I'm gonna try it right now with the NanoTowel as soon as Bailey gets out of the way. Okay, I got the NanoTowel wet. They say you just need water, so let's try it out. There's some on the inside here. Yeah, that came off pretty well. Look how clearly you can see Bailey now. Now they say you should use one wet and one dry, so I've washed it off with the wet one, and now it's drying up pretty well. Oh, that did pretty well. Here's a leftover stain from my Pain Doctor review, as you can see right here. For that, I was using cleaner. First the wet one, and then the dry one. Pretty good. Let's keep going. One problem I have with mirrors is not only do they get dusty, but they also tend to streak when you use a regular cloth in them. So I'm gonna try the NanoTowel on this mirror and see how that does. You can see the streaks there. My question is whether you can clean this mirror without the NanoTowel leaving streaks behind. That is the question. Now for a dry one. Wah. I think that did pretty well. The streaks from the previous time I cleaned it are gone. The dust is all gone. It looks really nice. So far, so good. I've got grease in the microwave that splatters on my stove. That's the red copper pan, by the way. But I have grease here that sometimes I have to clean off, and I'm going to see how well the NanoTowels do with that. Here's a moistened NanoTowel. Now a dry NanoTowel. Let's see. Okay, it's not 100%. All right, this door could probably use a little freshening up. I'm not even sure what that is. Something got spilled on there, it looks like. How about a little bit of grease near the hinge on this door? So it may not be a miracle towel for something like that. How about soap buildup on this shower door? Maybe not. Not making much progress. Nope. I usually wash this table before we start using it a lot in the spring, but it's been pretty nice this winter, so it's got kind of a lot of dirt on it. Only took me a few seconds and did get quite a bit of it off. I want to point out that even though the NanoTowels will clean a surface, it doesn't say that will sanitize them. So I would probably still use something that would kill germs as well, because if you're cleaning off a countertop that just had raw chicken on it, I don't think the NanoTowel is really going to be the ideal thing with just water to clean that off. NanoTowels is on Amazon. That's where I picked it up at. I think it was about $24 for a pack of 4. It's got really high ratings there, like I think a 4.8 star rating over 1,700 reviews. Now I know some vendors out there kind of fake or have fake reviews out there, but it's kind of hard to fake 1,700 reviews and keep your rating that high. So people do seem to like the NanoTowels. I'm kind of stuck waiting in my car for someone right now, so I thought maybe I would do some dry dusting of the dash of my car, and let's see how that goes. Very dusty, dusty. Not too bad, really. People probably wonder why I'm standing outside an Olive Garden dusting my car off. Well, you gotta take your stuff with you and review it when you can. More dry dusting. Yeah, it does seem to pick up the dust. It doesn't just seem to move it around like some cloths do. You can see the difference. Might as well do the rest of it out here. Okay, that's a lot of dust that came off of here. I don't even really see much on the NanoTowel either. Yeah, nothing like dusting your car off with a NanoTowel outside of Olive Garden. Something kind of funny here. It says, when cleaning, use the NanoTowels and water instead of paper towels and chemicals. Isn't water a chemical? All right, there's an infomercial for NanoTowels where there's some crayon on the floor and they clean it up with a little elbow grease and water. So let's try to test that out versus the microfiber cloth and a regular cotton cloth. Let's just try writing. All right, a little shameless promotion here. Just a little bit of water. Okay, that's coming off nicely. I'm pressing a little bit, not too hard. Oh well, guess what? The results are about the same. Okay, that one's going a little bit more difficult than the other two. But really, they're kind of equal. Oh well, maybe it wasn't such an impressive demonstration anyways. Day one is over. Now I'm gonna see how they do in the washing machine. That door just opened by itself. That's kind of creepy. Machine wash warm, tumble dry low. No fabric softener either. I want to stop for a second and point out that up to this point in the video, everything I did was with 2 towels, one wet and one dry. So really, all those tests I did with dust and water were done with a single wet towel and a single dry towel. Pretty impressive after you think about it. But I do want to see how the NanoTowel does versus a paper towel cleaning up this egg on the floor. So let's try it out with a paper towel on one side, NanoTowel on the other, and see how well they compare. First, I'm just going to pick up some of these shells by hand here. Blah, 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 blah. not sure really. That's nasty. This is the second video in a row I've been cleaning up nasty eggs. Oh, it's still more. All right, this is not great for a paper towel. I'm not even sure that's cleaned up well. Let's see how a NanoTowel does. It's time for a NanoTowel. Let's go with a handheld, like Eric Thies on those weekends. Or get this shot here. Okay, let's see how well it does against that paper towel. I did it 5 or 6 paper towels, barely even cleaned it up. This is 1 NanoTowel. They say you don't need cleaner, but I think I'm going to put some cleaner down to get some of that raw egg off the floor. I have a fresh NanoTowel, just to get up some of the germs and stuff. But it certainly did better than the regular paper towel by far. I wanted to point out how these came out after a couple washes. They've been washed and dried, I think 3 times now, and they don't seem any worse for wear, so I think they've held up pretty well in the wash. In conclusion, I'll say that my first impression of NanoTowels was that it's probably just a regular microfiber cloth, but after using it for a few days, I realized they're super absorbent, not only with liquid, but also with dust as well. 1 towel will go a long way. I was going to point out one more thing, that the results weren't 100% when I was just using water, like when I did the shower door, the grease around the hinge, and even the microwave. The first 2 of those, I had no results with water at all. The microwave was kind of 50-50. If you use cleaner, I'm sure the results will be better, but I was testing out just for use with water like they show in the ads. Now before you say this guy is a show for the company, keep in mind I bought it myself. I've never communicated with them. I just call them like I see them. A lot of products aren't very good. This one I happen to like. Have you used NanoTowels or something like it? Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please subscribe for more product reviews from me, James White, with Freakin' Reviews.